Men don't miss what was easy to access. They miss what changed them. And if you are the woman he cannot psychologically replace, you didn't just exist in his life, you rewired his emotional expectations. He can distract himself, but he cannot replicate the emotional frequency you created. This is why some men stay in relationships yet feel alone. Replacement does not equal fulfillment. The seventh sign, and this is the most important one, is that you are no longer trying to prove anything. Psychology shows that grounded women activate something rare in the male psyche, respect mixed with loss, and that combination never fades. This is why time doesn't heal this type of attachment. Time only removes access. Memory remains untouched. If he truly replaced you psychologically, your absence would feel neutral. But when your absence still carries weight, curiosity, tension, comparison, replacement failed. And here is the most empowering part. You don't need to do anything with this information. Irreplaceability is not a strategy. It is a byproduct of self-respect. You don't weaponize it. You don't wait for it to return. You don't seek confirmation. You let it exist silently while you evolve. Because the moment you understand your value, the need to be chosen disappears. And that is when you become unforgettable. If this message resonated with you and gave you clarity about emotional power and feminine psychology, subscribe to the channel and stay connected.